Hey guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. Is your car starting to look quite dull? Maybe the paintwork's feeling a little rough or just not as shiny as it used to be? Well, if that's the case, then our elite exterior detail with machine polish is perfect for your vehicle. This service takes approximately 3.5 to 5 hours to complete, depending on the size, the type of paint, and of course, the condition of your car. Whether you're selling your car or maybe you just really want to spruce it up so it looks amazing, then this service is perfect and I highly recommend our elite exterior detail for you. We begin by bringing your vehicle into our wash bay. To start, we begin by degreasing the wheel arches, the wheels, the fuel cap and the door jambs to loosen up the dirt and grime, making it easier to clean. Once we've removed the number plates and cleaned the door jambs, we pressure wash the paintwork down and begin a thorough wash with our microfiber wash mitts, cleaning all the nooks and crevices and all the surfaces of your vehicle. After the wash has been completed, we rinse it off and begin the decontamination process. We use a chemical to help break down contamination in conjunction with the cleaning towel. This removes tiny contaminants embedded in the paintwork, allowing the machine polishing stage to be more effective. Once we rinse this down, we then move to cleaning the wheels. The wheel cleaner is sprayed all around the wheels, trying to make sure it loosens up that brake dust, and we use all different kinds of brushes to really get into those small annoying little places so that we don't destroy our hands. We then use compressed air to blow out the build-up of water in the channels where the water pools up. A microfiber drying towel is then used to dry the paintwork rather than using a chamois, which would normally cause swirls and scratches in your paint. We then wipe out the door jambs, the fuel cap, wipe everything down so there's no dripping water, and then we reverse the car out of the wash bay into one of the detailing bays. We grab our polishing machine, the compound we want to use, along with the pads and the microfiber towels. We use a water-based compound, which means your rubbers and plastics will be safe, allowing us to not need to tape up these areas. No one likes polish marks on their rubbers or plastics. We carry out our machine polish enhancement, which will help remove light scratches and swirls, as well as removing light water spotting. This process really helps clean out the painted surface and clear coat, enhancing the shine and slickness of your car. If your car has a solid paint and is oxidized, this will also remove that oxidization, making it nice and shiny again. Your headlights are also polished, as well as the plastic window surrounds. We use the Bowden's own Clean Detail product to clean out any polish dust located in the door jambs, inside the fuel cap. We then install the bead machine sealant onto your paintwork and headlights, which provide great protection and will bead like a ceramic coating. We also clean the exterior glass. Your tyres are shined and your car is good to go. This service is available exclusively here at our workshop in Warana. We have everything we need here, from the right tools, compounds, pads, and obviously the best environment to safely perform the service on your car. So if you want to book in, give us a call on 1300 501 144, or you can book online with one of our easy booking forms. Thanks for watching, guys. My name's Joe, and don't forget, have a clean getaway.